Welcome to Meet the Wolfpack. I'm Ashley Adwani, and I'm talking with Jordan McLean of the women's basketball team here at the Wolfpack. Hi, Jordan.
Hello.
So you are a new player on the team. Maybe introduce yourself and where you're coming from for all the viewers here.
I'm Jordan McLean, and I'm a transfer this year. I'm from Mount Royal University.
Great. And what year are you in?
I'm in my third.
Third year. And what are you taking here?
Criminology.
Criminology. Cool. What kind of courses does that kind of entail for this semester?
It's a lot of when I came from Mount Royal, I was in criminal justice, which is more law-based, where criminology is more forensic science-based.
Cool.
So it's a lot of theory and sciences that go into it. Mm-hmm. It's interesting. I'm just taking Englishes and like statistic classes right now just to like get the basis of it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting course.
Cool. How many courses are you taking while you're playing?
This semester 3.
3. All right. So, we talk about how a student athlete has to kind of balance between their schoolwork and their playing. Do you find that challenging, or do you find that you've kind of gotten better at it over the last couple years?
My first year is really challenging, but now that I've been a couple years into it, it's pretty easy you find to get the time management with working out and practices and courses, you kind of find it after a while.
So if a future TRU athlete was, needing kind of some advice on how to balance, what would you say to them?
I would say you should try to make like a list or a plan. Like if you just kind of wing it, then that's when you have problems and you keep procrastinating. But if you set a timeline of when you need to get things done, then you usually can get it done a lot quicker and you just get it done way better.
Cool. So you seem to know kind of what you want to do post-grad. Are you graduating next year or the year after?
Year after.
Year after. Yeah. And what kind of job are you looking specifically to have?
Hopefully private investigator.
Okay.
Yeah, so PI, but I don't know, maybe I'll get into something. I was either thinking private investigator or doing something with the, doing something with the, like, RCMP with the dogs.
Oh, cool,
yeah.
Okay. Do you like dogs?
Yeah, my sister's a vet, so.
Oh, well then that works out perfectly. Look at that, cool. So you're a new transfer here. Are you moving you're moving from Mount Royal, is that where all your family is?
My family, I'm originally from Hinton, which is a small town outside of Jasper, which is still like 5 hours away from here, but yeah, it's different. It's smaller than Calgary, which is.
Do you live on campus?
Yeah, I live on res.
Cool, and are you liking res?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, sometimes they say it's a little bit loud on res. I was gonna live there and I decided to live off campus, but do you find that you like the living situation there?
It gets loud like around Thursdays and Fridays is when the parties happen, but it sometimes gets annoying if you have to wake up early, but it's not too bad.
Cool, awesome. So this year, although you're a new student, you are in your third year, what kind of goals do you have for your playing and maybe for your leadership roles and the way that you fit on the team?
Right now I'm just trying to embrace the culture they have here, which was a lot different than the atmosphere I had at Mount Royal, but I'm just trying to focus as an individual mostly on my defense and my shot, but as a team running the plays and learning what each player has and the unique characteristics on the team. If some can cut good, if some can shoot, use that to our advantage in practice and really work off that.
Mm-hmm. And have you been finding preseason is kind of giving you those answers as to how everyone on the team works?
Yeah, throughout the preseason, I've learned a lot about each individual player and what they're good at and what their strengths are, and you can really use that in practice and work off that.
Great. I know that the basketball team here, all the girls are quite close. What's the benefits of having a team with really good chemistry when it comes to playing on the court?
Well, if with a team with good chemistry, I find you really can use the strengths and you know what they're good at. If you kind of don't have good chemistry, you don't really want to play with them, you don't really want to pass the ball to them, you don't really know what they're good at. But if you are really close with each other, then you can really use that as an advantage and build upon that. I know that if something went down on the court, aggressive call or something, my team's got my back, which is really good to have on a team base.
Absolutely. So is there any teams that you're looking forward to playing this year? Do you get to play Mount Royal?
We play them twice this year.
Cool.
Which, yeah, I'm looking forward to those games. But just overall, the whole atmosphere, every game is always fun to play, so.
Great. Well, thank you for talking with us, and that's Meet the Wolfpack. Join us again for our next interview.